Okay, today we will learn a new topic, chapter 8, graph of functions. You can refer in the page 147. Okay, in the first subtopic is identifying functions. Okay, there are 4 types of function. Number 1 is a one-to-one relation. Okay, second is many-to-one relation. The third one is a one-to-many relation and many-to-many relation. Okay. So we look at the example number 1. Okay. In the example number 1 is the example for one-to-one function. Okay, why one-to-one function? Because in the set A and in the set B, okay, the element in the set A only map to the one element in the set B. Okay, set A is a 0 is mapped to the number 1 at the set B. 1 is mapped to one element at the set B. So this is relation 1 to 1. Okay, so how to map in the graph based on this set diagram ataupun kita namakan sebagai arrow diagram. So this is arrow diagram 0 1. So how to map in the graph? Okay, so in the graph, let's say we started with x-axis as a set A. So this is set A, we transfer to the set A. Okay, set B we transfer to the y-axis. Okay, set A is so 0 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 5. So I map in the x-axis 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, yang ni kena ikut susunan, tak boleh langkah ya. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, for the set B, we look at the set B is 1 2 3 4 6. But if we want to map in the graph as a graph, so we need to map in the ordered pairs. Maksudnya kena ikut susunan turutan menaik 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so bila kita dah buat, dah plotkan x-axis, y-axis, so after that we map. Okay, we plot based on the arrow diagram. Okay, we look at the set A. Set A is 0. 0 is mapped to the 1. So, okay, bermaksud dekat set A is a 0. Okay, and then map to the set B is 1. Okay, ataupun cikgu tunjukkan pemetaan dekat sini. Okay, 0 1. Okay, this is 0. Okay, this is 0 0 and 1. Okay, so cikgu salah plot. Oh, ni tak ada kat sini. Okay, sorry, it's okay. So cikgu tak plot lagi. So maksudnya kat sini 0 1 1 to 2. So maksudnya dekat sini 1 untuk x-axis. So at the y-axis is 2. So we mark at this point. Okay, 1 2 1 2. Okay, 2 3 bermaksud 2 for the x-axis, 3 for the y-axis. 3 4 3 for the x-axis, 4 at the y-axis. So we mark based on the arrow diagram given. Okay, but how to write in the ordered pair? Ordered pair. So ordered pair ni maksudnya kita tulis dalam bentuk set notation. Okay, so kita kena ada yang ni. Okay, set notation pembuka ni. So we make as a bracket. So pair yang pertama based on the arrow diagram ni. Okay, 0 1. So 0, 1, close a bracket. So this is one set element. 1 2. Why 1 2? Because this is 1, this is 2. 1 2. And then 2 3. 2 3. 3 4. So 3 4 5 6 5 6. Okay, so we look at the example number 2. Example number 2 is one-to-one functions. Okay, example one-to-one function. Soalan dia berbunyi begini. Relation where the object in the domain has only one image. So one-to-one function adalah relation where the object in the domain has the only one image. So domain tu yang mana? So dalam bentuk set, ini set yang sebelah kiri, ini set sebelah kanan kan. Ini kita namakan sebagai domain. Sebelah kanan pula kita namakan sebagai kodomain. Domain, kodomain. So bermaksud domain ni hanya petakan dekat sebelah kanan ni hanya kepada satu image sahaja. Sebelah kiri objek, sebelah kanan image. Ini domain, ini kodomain. So 1 is mapped to 2 only. 2 is mapped to 4. 3 is mapped to 6. 4 is mapped to 8. Okay. So ini cara yang cikgu ajar tadi. 1, 2 koordinat dia. Sorry, bukan koordinat, dia punya elemen. 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. Okay, we look at the example many-to-one function. Many-to-one function is where more one object is matched to the same image. Maksudnya many-to-one. So sebelah kiri ni objek ni many, but just only map at one one object. So many. Why many? Sebab many from the many element from the object, it just only map to the one image image at the codomain. So ini contoh untuk many to one function. So how to write down in the ordered pair? So cara yang sama macam tadi. 6, 3 kan. So 6, 3. So 6, 3. 9, 3. 9, 3. 21, 3. 21, 3. So this is how we write down in the ordered pair. But how we need to draw in the graph, same concept. Okay. So maksudnya sekarang ni kalau tengok dekat sini ya. Okay, this is object, this is image, right? So 6 is mapped to 3. So 6 is for x-axis. Y is a y-axis kat sini. Maksudnya dekat sini this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So 6, 3. So dekat sini 6, 3. So nampak tak? Dia petakan dekat sini. Okay. Untuk elemen yang pertama. Elemen yang kedua pula 9, 3. 9, 3. So 9, 3. So this is the second plotted. And the third one is a 21, 3. 21, 3, 21, 3. So this is how we plotted in the graph based on the set given. Ataupun kita boleh plotting based on the ordered pair given. Pun boleh terus kat sini. 6, 3 kan? 6, 3, 6, 3. So 6, 3. 9, 3 is a 9, 3. 21, 3 is a 21, 3. Same concept. Okay, so one to many relation. That means one object is mapped to the many image. Object, image. So one object is mapped to the many image. Maksudnya nombor 8 ni is mapped to the number 8. Also number 8 is mapped to number 16. So dia banyak, satu ke banyak, one to many. So ini adalah contoh one to many. Okay, so how to write down in the order pair? So we look at carefully. 4, 4. So 4, 4. 4, 8. 4, 8. 4, 12. 4, 12. 4, 16. 4, 16. 8, 8. 8, 8. And the last one is 8, 16. 8, 16. Right. So can you see clearly? So after that, from this ordered pair, you can also transfer in the graph. 4 and 4. So this 4 is mapped to 4. 4, 8. 4 is mapped to 8. 4, 12. So 4, 12. 4, 16 is 4, 16. Maksudnya sekarang ni, yang ni adalah X, ini ialah Y. Okay. And then, many to many relations. Many to many relation maksudnya dia gabung. So, maksudnya dia ada one to many and many to one. So, dua-dua dalam ini. So, kita namakan sebagai many to many. Okay, contohnya. Ini objek, ini image. Domain, kodomain kan? So, this is example. 24 is mapped to 4. 24 also is mapped to 6. 24 is also mapped to 8. So, this is example for one to many. Okay, but 24 is mapped to 8 16 is also mapped to 8. So ini adalah contoh untuk many to one. So one to many and many to one is we combine in the one set. Kita namakan sebagai function adalah many to many relations. Okay, so how to write down in the ordered pairs? Okay, cara yang sama, just tengok saja anak panah dia. 24 4, 24 4, 24 6, 24 6, 24 8, 24 8. 18 6, 18 6, 16 4, 16 4, and the last one is a 16 8, 16 8. Simple saja cara dia. So daripada sini boleh transfer pergi kepada bentuk graf menggunakan cara yang sama. Cuma cikgu nak ajar kamu, so untuk X dengan Y ni graf dia kena ikut susunan. Contohnya kalau kamu nak buat gandaan 2, multiple of 2 must be multiple of 2. 2 4 6 8. Tak boleh langkah-langkau. So kalau Y pun multiple of 2, 2 4 6 8. Okey, kalau kamu nak buat gandaan 1, 0 1 2 3 4 5. Nak buat gandaan 3, 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 dan seterusnya. So dia punya untuk graf ni exist punya range based on yourself. Terpulang pada kamu kecuali soalan dah tentukan. Okay, so we look at the last example. Okay, given set P 1 2 3 and set Q 4 5 6, the function f maps P to Q by adding 3. Represent this function using the ordered pair. Maksudnya sekarang ni functionnya, okay, function P maps to Q by adding 3. Okay, cikgu bagi contoh dekat sini ya. Okay, cara yang paling senang nak tengok untuk soalan ni, terus tengok dekat bahagian sini, bahagian dekat table. Maksudnya P ni, kita ambil dulu P 1 2 3 kan. 1 2 3 kan. Okay, 1 2 3. And set Q is 4 5 6. Okay, so just transfer saja P 1 2 3, Q 4 5 6. Okay. And then how to write down in the ordered pair. So daripada sini kita tukar kepada ordered pair, bermaksud 1 4 1 4, koma. Okay, 2 5 2 5, 3 6 3 6. Sama juga kalau dalam bentuk table 1 4 2 5 3 6, same. Ini namanya sebagai ordered pair, ini nama dalam bentuk table. Dalam graf pun sama. Maksudnya dekat sini 1 is mapped to 4, 1 4. Okay, this is 2 5, this is 3 6. Okay, but in the equation, okay, tengok dekat sini, 4 is equals to 1 plus 3. Kenapa? Tampak tak dekat sini? Ini Q kan, 4. 4 is equals to 1 plus 3. 5 pula, we get the number 5 because 2 plus 3. 6 pula kita dapat 3 plus 3. 6. So maksudnya the value of Q we got where we plus the value of P plus with the number 3. Okay, so equation dia adalah Y. Let's say this is Y. Kita jadikan dia sebagai Y. Okay, yang ni kita jadikan dia sebagai X. So Y is equal to X plus 3. Or we can write down Fx sebab Y. Okay, dalam matematik Y is equals to Fx. Ya, so ni kamu kena tahu. So hubungan dia adalah Y sama dengan X tambah 3, or Fx is equals to X plus 3. So this is for equation. Okay, so now you can try in the self practice 8.1. Okay, thank you.